Welcome to Crooked Recipes. Today, we're making orange cranberry pumpkin bread, a delightful fusion of sweet, tangy, and autumn spice flavors. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a ½ teaspoon baking powder, a ½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves. A ½ cup granulated sugar, a ½ cup packed light brown sugar, a ½ cup unsweetened pumpkin puree, a ½ cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, a 1/4 cup milk, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon orange zest, and 1 cup dried cranberries. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and prepare a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with grease and a dusting of flour. Step 2. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Step 3. In a separate bowl, combine the granulated sugar, brown sugar, pumpkin puree, vegetable oil, eggs, milk, vanilla extract, and orange zest until well mixed. Step 4. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Remember, do not overmix. Step 5. Gently fold in the dried cranberries to the mixture. Step 6. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Step 7. Bake for 1 hour, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the bread comes out clean. Step 8. Allow the bread to cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Step 9. Slice the bread and serve. Enjoy the delicious orange cranberry pumpkin bread. That's it for today's recipe. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Crooked Recipes for more delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. Links to our picks for the best ingredients and kitchen utensils for this recipe are found in the video description. Happy baking!